Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 minus sine t square. Later that we change for cosine t square, and then we can simplify 5 over 2 and ds. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So this one, that is about cosine t square. So 5 over 2 multiplied by number 2. So we have number 5. This one we simplify cosine t. And this one we can transform into secant of t to the power of 4. So this one we have secant of t square and secant of t square. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan t. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to secant of t square dt. So this one we change for u, and we have u square. This one we change for du. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The integration of u square, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About u, that is about tan t. About t, that is about this one. So we can find the value of t equal to r sine of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.